Hey guys, welcome to the channel. आज हम सीखने वाले हैं और भी कुछ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस. So let's go. मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun. Don't make fun. शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. चिढ़ाना बंद करो. Stop teasing. Stop teasing. फिर से सोचो. Think again. Think again. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. मुझे ये करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. ये किसका बैग है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? ये किसका घर है? Whose house is this? Whose house is this? ये मेरा घर है. This is my house. This is my house. ये बैग बहुत भारी है. This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. अपना बैग ले लो. Take your bag. Take your bag. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. आप जवाब क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you answer? Why don't you answer? आप चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? ये खुशी के आंसू हैं. These are tears of joy. These are tears of joy. मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. I need some money. I need some money. Thank you for listening to the video. Do subscribe, like और share भी करना मत भूलना.